climate change impacts manifested by erratic and unreliable rainfall, droughts and floods. These have had a significant impact on agricultural productivity and economy of Uganda. In response, the government of Uganda invested in the development and rehabilitation of micro, medium and large-scale irrigation systems in different parts of the country. Among the irrigation schemes included Mubaku, Doho Butelja, Njenj, Tochi and Waidale and Pakwach. These efforts were expected to directly improve the livelihoods of more than 13,000 smallholder farmers, through increased yields by 2 to 5. The objectives of this research were to assess the benefits, challenges and opportunities that come with the development of irrigation schemes, and to establish research needs for enhanced soil, water and nutrient use efficiency among the irrigation schemes of Uganda. The Loyal Society in UK mandated Dr. Emmanuel of Makerere University to research on improving water and nutrient use efficiency.
I got a postdoctoral award from the Royal Society, the United Kingdom, to do some research on improving water and nutrient use efficiency. The project is called Digital Soil Information for enhancing soil, water and nutrient use efficiencies among the irrigation schemes in Uganda. So among the irrigation schemes, we had to select 2 irrigation schemes, and of course aware of the challenges that are being faced by the farmers in group irrigation schemes. The challenge of using water wisely, smartly and efficiently, and also using nutrients amidst a lack of soil information. So the idea was, how do we come here, obtain soil information, and then integrate all this information to improve soil, water, and nutrients. And definitely, it will increase yields, and if you increase yields, some profits, and then eventually impacting on the livelihood of the smallholder farmers, especially here. When you use too much water, there are so many things that happen. One, that too much water is going to wash away your soils. But because also the nutrients are in your soils, it's also going to wash away the nutrients. Now, when these are washed away, it goes downstream and pollutes the water. That means also there is pollution of water and also aquatic life, the life that is living in the water. So in so doing, you are actually causing flooding in places where maybe households are settling, and already you start creating problems. So that's why you always see there are fights between the upstream farmers and then the lower stream farmers. If you use too much water in the upstream, this water goes to affect the people downstream. That is really the use. But again, because you are using too much water, you are also affecting the use of the same water by others. So you cause scarcity of water. So this is why we are saying, can we improve the efficiency use of this water? Because if you do that, we improve the environment, we save the environment, we improve the yields, we reduce the costs in terms of how much fertilizer you need to apply. And then, of course, you save the environment. Thank you.
The study employed key informant interviews with the district agricultural officers. Focused group discussions with the leaders of the water user associations were done, as well as field visit observations. The composition of each group included women and youth representatives, as well as farmers' representatives. General challenges, opportunities and benefits across the irrigation schemes were presented. The main challenges included limited access to crop, soil and weather information and limited access to quality agricultural inputs. There was a need to develop crop, soil and weather database systems, for improved water and nutrient use efficiencies in the irrigation schemes. Also the need for tools integrating soil and weather information, with crop water requirements to guide irrigation scheduling. In first year of the project, the following were completed: establishment of field experiments to evaluate water and nutrient use efficiencies in Doho and Mubaku irrigation schemes. The first season was already harvested for both schemes and samples collected were analyzed. The second season experiments were also established in March 2022. Site characterization, soil surveying and soil sampling of over 300 soil samples were conducted in Mubaku irrigation scheme, and laboratory analysis of the soil samples was done. The project activities progressed very well, with all the 3 MSc students being able to set up their field experiments and collecting data. The most significant achievement was the Farmer Field Day conducted in Mabaku irrigation scheme, where the project results for one planting season were disseminated. It was an amazing experience to bring together farmers, students and PI to learn together and correlate new knowledge. Farmers as key stakeholders were happy with the project results and ready to take up. Poster presentation at the Open Research and Innovation Day for College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences, Makerere University was done.